What's going on, everybody? Thanks for joining me in another adventure. I just passed the town of Estacada and I'm headed towards Hideaway Lake. I'm going to try to see if I can camp overnight over there and maybe do a little bit of fishing, have a nice campfire, and enjoy the evening. So follow along. Well, we're about 3 miles away from the lake, and it looks like we'll be camping in snow. So, we did have a storm come through this weekend, and I guess we even got some here. Awesome. Well, this is somewhat unexpected. I did look at the forecast and it showed the chance of snow over in this area, but it was mostly supposed to be rain. And so far there's about, say, like 3 inches of snow. So we're gonna continue on that way and make it to our spot. This is exciting. I love snow. First snow camp of the year. Made it. It's a turn up for Hideaway Lake. It's freaking beautiful out here. Well, I might have spoke too soon. The trail was broken here, but it's not broken down to camp. So I'm here down. I'm gonna give it a shot, see if I could pack it in. If it's not gonna go too well, then I'm gonna return back and find a spot to camp somewhere before all this snow, I guess. So let's see what happens. So it might be doable. It's packing pretty nicely. Anyways, I have a winch. If I need to pull myself out a little bit, I'll be able to. So this is awesome. Look at this. Sure will be fun and cold. I made it. There's a lake and I got the whole dang place to myself. I'm gonna walk around and see if there's maybe a better spot. Kind of like this one because you get the view of the lake, but the fire pit and the tables kind of ways away. So I'm gonna see if any of these other spots here have anything better. So let's go wander around. So after looking around, I think I'm gonna stay here. The view over here is awesome. So I'm gonna set up my canopy because the snow's kind of melting off the trees and it's kind of like raining in the wooded area here. I set up my tent, set up my kitchen, and clean out the fire pit and get ready for the evening because So this is what my setup ended up looking like. I'm going to be sleeping inside the CVT Bachelor Edition tent. It's their smallest one that they offer. It's kind of tight, but for one person it's okay. 2 people it's alright. And that's as max as you can. And they say 2 plus, but trust me, one plus is what it should be. Set up the canopy. Like I said, it's kind of water. The snow is melting and it's coming down over the table, so I can have my stove here to warm up water. Not planning to cook anything really extravagant on this trip. It's just a quick little camp. I'm gonna clean out the fire pit, get it all ready for a fire tonight, and let's go down to the lake. Gonna enjoy me a hot cup of coffee and go down to the lake and cast a pole a couple of times and see if there's any bites. Highly doubt it, but I got nothing else to do. I'm gonna give it a shot. You never know. Well, fish isn't biting. Seemed like I had a nibble, but who knows what that was. Sun's already behind that ridge right there and it's getting cold, so I'm gonna go probably put on different pair of shoes because these ones are soaked, and probably prepare for a campfire because it's gonna be a long evening. It's gonna get dark in probably an hour or so. Time to get this fire going because it's cold. I think we'll be alright for tonight. I got some dry stuff with me in the car. Get this thing going. The ice is starting to form on the lake. Like I said, it's going to be a cold night. It's supposed to be like 27 degrees tonight. Alrighty, it's 7 o'clock. I'm gonna grill me a hot dog for a quick meal. and eat, maybe have some coffee, and probably start heading to bed. Well, I know it's not much of a meal, but it will have to do. I wasn't gonna bring anything fancy to cook. It's too dang cold. As soon as you make it, it's already cold. So, well, alrighty, folks. I'm gonna let the fire die down, clean up a bit, and head to bed. And I will catch you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, everyone. It's Sunday morning. I'm gonna get this fire going and get warmed up. Maybe make a cup of coffee and start cleaning up and packing up and get ready to go home. I've been packing up slowly, getting all my kitchen stuff put away. Now I'm gonna put the tent back together. I wish the sun would come out and melt the frost off the top, but nothing you can do. At least it's not soaking wet, so let's get it put away. Well, alrighty. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.